The wind has teeth today. Stay close to the peaks.
I can handle a little wind. We are not children anymore. In the Eyrie, we say love is a promise made to the...
By the Eyrie, I challenge you for her. The right of combat, now!
Darius, this is not your sky. Turn back!
I fly where the prize is, and I see it right there.
I am no one's prize, Darius. You have no honor.
Then I will claim you with honor. Kalen, I challenge you. The right. You are a fool. I will not grant this. Have no choice. I invoke it. The Needle's Eye. At sunrise. He wasn't fighting to win. He was fighting to break me. To make me fall. Is this your great protector? He can't even hold the air.
Use his weight! Don't fight him! Guide him!
What are you doing? You'll kill us both.